I'm Hillary Mulick and I'm a wedding photographer based in the Carolinas. Welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel. This week's topic is all about education and picking a type of education that is best for you and your needs right now. So I've been a wedding photographer for 10 years. I shot my first wedding in 2013 and now it's 2023. And in my past 10 years of being in business, there are three main types of education that I have invested in. And depending on what you want to learn in your business right now, I want to help point you into a direction of education that is going to be most beneficial for you and the place you are in your business, as well as the direction that you want to go with this upcoming year. So the first type of education, and this is the most accessible type of education, is free education. Now I'm talking about free downloads, free education through YouTube, free education through blog posts, through Instagram Reels, through TikToks. All of this type of education is free and can be very beneficial for you and your business. Free education can range anywhere from 15 seconds to 15 minutes. So it can be 15 seconds long if you're looking at quick tips from IG Reels or from TikToks that you can gain a little bit of quick knowledge that you can quickly apply today, and can be anywhere as long as 15 minutes if you are reading a blog post or looking at a YouTube video to get some really specific, really quick educational material to help push your business forward. Free education is really great if you are just looking for quick ways that you can apply to things in your business today. Just make little quick tweaks to make your business a little bit better and push it forward just a little bit more than it was yesterday. The second type of education is through mentoring. Now, mentoring is a paid type of education. It's usually one-on-one or in a very small group setting. I really love mentoring because it can give you real-time answers to your questions. So mentoring sessions can be as short as an hour where you're just doing a video chat or something in person. I've seen mentoring sessions that are even as long as 2 to 4 hours if you're wanting a hands-on photo shoot or something more technical to learn that just takes a little bit more time. I love mentoring sessions. I've done mentoring sessions in the past with other photographers if I wanted to learn something very specific and I needed some hands-on help and real-time answers to my questions. So if you are looking for a type of education where there's a very specific part in your business that you need help with, or a very specific part in your photography that you're hoping to grow, and having that one-on-one time with a photographer in real time will be really helpful for you, then I highly suggest going the mentoring route. So the third type of education is through online courses or workshops. Now, I love this type of education because it can be something as specialized as learning how to do Instagram Reels, or it can be as broad as learning how to do Instagram as a whole for your business. Workshops and online courses can be multiple hours that you can really take your time going through. So with workshops, this can be as little as one day or as multiple days. Same with online courses, they can be multiple modules that you can really take your time going through and take your time absorbing the material. There's generally an instructor that you can either ask real-time questions to if you're in person at a workshop, or you can submit questions online through a Facebook group, or just be able to talk to the instructor about questions that you have about the course. I also love workshops and online courses because it gives you the chance to really absorb the material and to be able to revisit the material as much as possible. With workshops and online courses, generally there are videos or course materials such as slide printouts that you can go through and revisit to help you learn the information, because it's generally a lot of information that you're learning. So I highly recommend workshops or online courses if there is a topic that just seems really overwhelming, there's a lot to learn, and you want to really be able to take your time going through that material and also have access to an instructor so that you can ask them questions. So those are the three main types of education. So depending on what you're hoping to learn in your business right now, think about whether you can get that information like quick and be able to apply it today through maybe free education, YouTube videos, free downloads. You can also think about, is this something that I need to have one-on-one instruction to really help me work through learning how to do this? Then maybe you should think about a mentoring session. Or if it's a really broad topic that you just need a lot of time to be able to work through that material and to digest it and be able to apply it to your business, you want to be able to have access to revisit that material a lot, then maybe think about doing a workshop or an online course. Through my website, hillarymulick.com, I actually offer all 3 of these types of education. If you go to my website, which I will have all of these links down in the description below, I do have 3 different free downloads to help you learn more about posing, learn more about my pre-wedding questionnaire, or my wedding workflow that I use with all of my wedding clients. Those free downloads are available to you through my website. I also have a plethora of free YouTube videos on so many different topics that you can look through and just learn quick, easy things that you can apply to your business today. I have a section on mentoring sessions. If you feel like you need a little bit more instruction, a little bit more one-on-one help with a specific subject, I offer different tiers of mentoring sessions that you can look at. And later this year, I'm gonna be launching my online course, Posing for the Fine Art Storyteller. So if posing is something that you're interested in and hoping to learn more about posing in a natural way, then I highly recommend getting on the wait list, and that link is down in the description below for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next week for another YouTube episode. Bye guys.